Chapter 5, Audio 1, Architectural Profession.
I'd like to start by describing exactly what it is that an architect does, as this is perhaps not as obvious as it sounds. Basically, there are two parts to the job. Most people know that architects are responsible for designing buildings. This means having an idea and then converting that idea into drawn information from which the scheme can be built. What is less well understood is that the architect also has a role in managing the construction process. The term architect, therefore, can actually cover a wide range of different jobs, particularly when it comes to larger projects when the work needs to be split between a number of people. In any office, there tend to be a number of different roles, each with their own necessary skills and qualifications. Firstly, there is the design architect, responsible for the design concept or idea. Then there is the project architect, who is in charge of overseeing the construction process. Clearly, these different people require different skills. The design architect needs to be artistic, with creative flair, whereas the project architect requires organizational and problem-solving skills. In addition to the architects, there are various other people within the office. For example, draftsmen are the people who actually produce the drawings. These days, of course, this is mostly done on computer, so they need technical skills as well as construction knowledge. Then there are the model makers, who obviously make the models, either for presentations or for testing out ideas within the office. They, of course, need to show attention to detail as well as being extremely patient. I hope I'm making it clear that within the architectural process there are roles for all sorts of people. Understanding your own skills and interests is vital in choosing the kind of office in which you want to work. For example, I now work in a small company working on relatively small projects. For me, this has two great advantages. Firstly, I get the chance to run the whole process from start to finish. Secondly, because the jobs are smaller, you can see the results of your efforts quite quickly. On the other hand, large firms offer different benefits. For a start, there are more jobs, which generally means a more varied workload. Secondly, larger jobs offer real opportunities for people with very specific skills. Essentially, then, what I'm trying to say is that architecture is such a wide-ranging discipline that all sorts of different people can find in it an interesting and fulfilling role. If you do have any specific questions, I'd be happy to answer them later. Thank you.